How can a robot recognize an object through touch? This demonstration showcases Robotiq's advanced tactile sensing technology for intelligent object recognition. As the first object is placed into the gripper, tactile sensors instantly analyze its shape and contact patterns with remarkable precision. Instead of relying solely on vision systems, Robotiq uses real-time tactile feedback to accurately identify different objects. Each interaction generates valuable touch data, allowing the robot to recognize objects quickly and consistently. This technology helps collaborative robots perform handling and automation tasks with greater precision in manufacturing environments. From simple shapes to more complex profiles, tactile intelligence gives robots a more adaptive and human-like sense of touch. Discover more about Robotics' collaborative robotics solutions on Avalinks.